2.1.4, we're still on sequences. If you're new here and you would like to see more videos like this one, please make sure you join the Student Tools family and subscribe to this channel so that YouTube will let you know whenever we make a new upload. So 2.1.4 says tie-in adds a constant k to each of the terms in the pattern, giving a new pattern P. Determine the general term of the pattern. So here we're told that tie-in adds a constant k to each of the terms in the pattern. So in the previous pattern we had 86, we had 119, we had 150, we also had a 179. So we're told that tie-in adds a constant k to each of the terms in the pattern. So it's something that looks like this. We are going to add a k to each of the terms, plus k here, plus k here, and plus k here as well. So now we have this pattern, and this pattern is called pattern P. And then the question requires us to determine the general term of this pattern or this new pattern. So how are we going to determine the general term of this new pattern? First, we will have to determine what kind of a pattern it is. The first thing we will do is find the first differences so that we can check if it's arithmetic. So the first differences, it's going to be this minus that one, and this minus that one, then that minus this. So what is 119 plus k minus 86 plus k? So let's write it down so that it will not confuse us. 119 plus k minus, let's put it in brackets, 86 plus k, this one. So here we have 119 plus k, and here we have minus 86 and minus k. So 119 minus 86, that is 33, positive k minus k, that is a 0. So here we have 33. And then next we have 150 plus k minus 119 plus k. 150 plus k minus 119 plus k. This is in brackets because we are subtracting all of it. So 150 plus k, this is minus 119, and its sign changes to minus k here as well. So 150 minus 119, that is a 31. Positive k minus k, that is a 0. So here we have 31. Then lastly we have 179 plus k minus 150 plus k. So one thing that I'm noting is that the k's subtract each other, such that we have 179 minus 150. So that is 29. So now we have the first differences, and we didn't get a common difference. So that means it's not an arithmetic sequence. Let us find the second differences. Second differences, we have this one minus this one, that is 31 minus 33, that is negative 2. And this one minus this one, that is negative 2. So we have a common difference here. So this means that this is still a quadratic pattern. So when we have a quadratic pattern, we have a formula which helps us determine the general term. And the formula is Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. So with this formula, we have unknowns a, b, and c. So with the values of a, b, and c, we have formulas to determine those. First, we will start with a. We have a formula which is 2a equal to second common difference, which is negative 2. We will divide by 2 both sides. This will cancel this, and here we will have negative 1. So a is equal to negative 1. And then we have b. So to determine b, we have a formula which is 3a plus b is equal to the first difference of the first differences. So that is 33 in this case. And in this formula, we have 3a. So with a, we already know the value of a. So the value of a is negative 1. So what we will do is substitute a with a negative 1. 3, here we have negative 1 plus b equal to 33. So here we have 3 multiplied by negative 1, that is negative 3, plus b equal to 33. And then here we have to make b the subject of this formula. So to do that, we have to take negative 3 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So we'll do that by adding 3 here and also add 3 on the right hand side. This will be equal to 0 such that b will be equal to 36. So that's how we determine the value of b. So lastly, we have the value of c. To determine the value of c, we have another formula. We have a plus b plus c equal to the first term. So the first term here is 86 plus k. We'll put it here. And then the value of a, we know it, that is negative 1. So we'll substitute with negative 1 plus b. The value of b is 36. So we'll replace it with 36 plus c, which is unknown now. And this is equal to 86 plus k. So negative 1 plus 36, that is 35, plus c equal to 86 plus k. So now we have this, and we have to make c the substitute of the formula. To do that, we have to take 35 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So we will do that by subtracting 35 both sides and subtract 35 here as well. So this will be 0 such that c will be equal to 86 minus 35, that is 51, and then we bring down the k, so it's plus k. And then we go back to our main formula, which is Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. So now we will take the value of a and b and c and substitute into our formula. So it's Tn equal to a is equal to negative 1, n squared, which is the variable, plus b is 36, so 36, n, plus c is 51 plus k. So here we will have 51 plus k. So Tn is equal to negative 1 n squared is the same as negative n squared. So we bring down this plus 36 n plus 51 plus k. So this is how we determine the general term of the pattern. But on the question, we were told that the new pattern is called P. So we can write it like this. P n is equal to negative n squared plus 36 n plus 51 plus k. And that is just how we do question 2.1.4. Alright guys and girls, see you on the next question 2.2.